Root, KWN, approximate number of words in the Quran, 1,400. An example, Knt al-Ghatsla meaning, I spun the wool. Core meaning of this root in the Quran, transformation from a loose, fragile state to a firm, stable form. Like, the transformation of fluffy wool into a tight, strong thread by twisting and spinning. From this idea of becoming firm and structured, the root came to express existence, as in something materially and powerfully realized. Allah says, His command, when He intends a thing, is only that He says to it, be, and it is. Surah Yasin, 3682, essential concept of this root, it conveys realization, manifestation, and actuality. It can also be used to indicate a state of being, either as a grammatical predicate, habar, or as something taking the position of a direct object, implying a state or condition, such as, the people were one nation, meaning, their condition was that of a unified community. In this verse, and if someone is in hardship, then a deferment until ease, Al-Baqarah 2-280, it means, if someone is found to be in difficulty, i.e., a state of hardship exists. So in such contexts, the verb kana, /is, may indicate realization or occurrence, whether, physically, or mentally/spiritually, depending on the context.